guys, for today's video ay gumawa pala ako ng palabok guys. Ayan o. Yan ang aming palabok ng aking junakis guys. Dalawa lang kami nito kakain. Sarap nito guys. Yummy yummy. Ayan o, ayan o. Yan. Pakita daw siya guys. Yan ang aming tanghalian ngayon. Palabok lang ang aming kakainin guys. Thank you for watching. At sa mga gustong mag-order dyan guys, thank you for watching guys. Follow for more. At itong batang to,
Bye! For more to watch more.
nag-aabang na yan guys.
For more to watch more for videos like this. Thank you for my followers and other else. Bye!
Ayan, nag-aabang na siya guys. Oh, ito na, ito na.